So it's part 2A4, C3M1b7c8e13c9c6d3p4. It's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p4. Helix, spiral, curve, polygons, core, UFO, 5G Wow Seti. Here's our alien radio signal. This is research for the UFO structure. Keywords: helix curves, designs for the core from the Wow signal. Keyword lab space will be in the next video. So the keywords: helix rising from a previous video of line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p3. Helical spring vortex formula, UFO, 5G Wow Seti. So here's a helix, circular helix in a right circular cylinder. Boy, I say that really fast, right? How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? Quotes, diagrams from blogs. Helix. Mathematics: a three-dimensional curve that lies on a cylinder or cone so that its angle to a plane perpendicular to the axis is constant. A spiral form or structure. Anatomy: the folded rim of skin and a cartilage around most of the outer ear. And architecture: a volute on a Corinthian or Iconic capital. Latin from the Greek, Indo-European roots. A three-dimensional spiral curve. In mathematical terms, a helix can be described as a curve turning about an axis on the surface of a cylinder or cone while rising at a constant upward angle from a base. Helix, a curve that lies on the surface of a cylinder or cone and cuts the elements at a constant angle. A spiral curved or curved shape is the trace of a point whose direction of motion changes, and double helix is a pair of parallel helices intertwined about a common axis. The shape of the DNA molecule is a double helix. www.thefreedictionary.com. I don't know where the hiccups came from. All I did was drink some water. Whorl, a small flywheel that regulates the speed of a spinning wheel. Whorl, a round shape formed by a series of concentric circles, again from the same site. Concentric circles. Notice the shapes there. We have a square within it like a cube, and the tetrahedron. And then you got the octagon. These are all the shapes that are in the core, right? This is the core, and it's combined of all this. But this would be the base. This would be on top of it, and then this thing would be on top of that. Concentric polygons. Points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, there we go. Look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could put our quadrupole magnets right here. Those would be going there, and then the monopole magnets, I wonder if they go in between these two. Not sure yet. Concentric polygons. Point T is the common center of 6 regular polygons. My thought, 6 regular polygons equals 6 quadrupoles. See, I was thinking about it. In the core of the UFO structure. See the triangle, the cube, tetrahedron shape. All these come together in the WOW data. So here's a sector of concentric rings. Notice that we have the triangle with the circle. So this would be our core. This is our tetrahedron, only it's flipped this way. And then this here is your value. So it says chroma, hue, value, and it says purple, red, yellow, green, blue, and purple, blue, and it's got numbers there. Okay? So this is called the Munsell color system. System. Sector of concentric rings. In Munsell's color system, a ring represents a range of values and saturations of chromas. The Munsell color system showing a circle of hues at a value of 5 chroma, 6. The neutral values from 0 to 10, and the chromas of purple, blue, 5 pb at value 5. In colorimetry, the Munsell color system is a color space that specifies colors based on 3 color dimensions: hue, value, lightness, and chroma, color purity. Several earlier color order systems had placed colors into a 3-dimensional color solid of one form or another, but Munsell was the first to separate hue, value, and chroma into perceptually uniform and independent dimensions, and was the first to systematically illustrate the colors in 3-dimension space. So we're talking about 3-dimension space with the UFO, so this is interesting that this came up, and it talks about 3-dimension space as well. So the keyword is lab space. It'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching.